welcome to marathonjourney.com v6.31, where I use the Jeff Galloway Run, Walk, Run Marathon Training Program to sit here with a bird dog. Bird dog. What you don't see slightly out of frame is the cat. So we have a cat bird dog. I don't know. No running today. Do you know why? Yeah, still injured. The 12K at Rocklin last weekend was about enough. So we're keeping in shape enough to be able to barely bowl. It's my right calf, so it's my power step that is the problem. Enough out of you. So even bowling is hard, so running is out of the question. The worst thing about being injured is the waiting for it to heal up and not be injured. But that's all part of it. So remember, if you don't heal up, you won't be able to open up that door. Put one foot in front of the other. If you do that, one of these days, I'll be seeing you up there on the road.